Can you get up, Jack?
Get up, Jack!
He's very confused.
Oh, good job. You're going to do it. You're going to do it. Oh, good boy.
Okay. Now.
It's like got water skis on or something.
My mom's done.
Oh, I want to watch Jack. Whoa.
Whoa. Ooh, ooh.
He looks like he just got off a horse. Whoa. Whoa.
It's like,
oh, oh, he's gonna do splits. Frank it. He's gonna hurt himself. Oh.
Here you
What do you think of those, buddy?
go. Double.
What do you think of those, Jack? You like those?
No? Where were you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you're right here. No, you're right. No, yeah, 12. Double go.
I think he likes them.
He likes the challenge.